In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free Panda Pet in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So the new update just dropped and the pets are now coming to the game. In case you haven't seen that yet, there's been a trailer or everything, and over here, as you can see, there's now some new stores. You have the pet eggs over here, and then they will refresh, I believe, every half an hour if I'm not mistaken. And over here, it says free panda. Now to actually claim your free panda, you just have to walk up to it, and as you can see, it says you basically got a panda. Now this is only available for the next hour, so make sure you claim it right now because this is the only time you'll be able to get it, and you can only get one, as you can see over here. So yeah, next 55 minutes, and likely basically it's gonna be even less because when you watch this video, of course, it's gonna likely be a bit less because the timer will run out. So make sure you get this yourself now because you likely will not ever be able to get this again. So yeah, get it while you can over here. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.